Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform model at l'Université Ali University Blida 2 in Algeria. Today we are going to present our 11th lecture titled What is Entrepreneurship? So I have divided my 11th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is entrepreneurship? What are the main classification of entrepreneurs, language activities, including your building vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. And finally, your assessment, including your quizzes, tests, exams. So what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is important both for entrepreneurs and corporations because it has the capacity to improve living standards while creating wealth for entrepreneurs and other businesses. What are the main classification of entrepreneurship? There are different types of entrepreneurs which are broadly classified based on the type of business, the stage of development, the technological aspect. Language activities, the word entrepreneurship as an uncountable noun means the activity of making money by starting or running businesses, especially when this involves taking financial risks, the ability to do this. For examples, the reforms are designed to encourage entrepreneurship and promote business and investment. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.